Okay, this is David again, and we're back here. We'll talk about some more day trading tips and day trading strategies here. Our long-term indicator had gone short, and it's really close to going long. Okay, so the market's kind of just whipped, and that happened. So I'm now wanting to take a long pullback trade. I'm using Pro Indicator version 2 to show me my pullback entries. I want to get the order in there, and the order is at 52. So in the last video, we talked about not taking the NSE at a no zone. And it's contrarian to what a lot of you have seen on my videos because we say we love the NSE coming at a no zone. And we do. It's a high probability setup, but that was an instance where the long-term indicator was holding us from taking that trade. And it would actually kind of worked out. You saw how it jumped up and turned right back around. Would have made for a good pullback trade had we been filled, okay? Or if we had an EET short, we would have made some money on it, but we never did get the signal, and we got the NSC. And although that was a winning trade, that's what you got to realize. We're following rules. Sometimes the rules will keep you from a winning trade. This was a winning trade. Let me move my entry here to 52.75. This was a winning trade all day long, but it was an avoided trade. So you'll see I'm just moving my limit order up as Pro Indicator version 2 updates. I simply update my price as well. And now, because my long-term indicator, which I realize you do not see, is now gone long, I would not take a short EET. The only trade I would want to take right now is a long trade. In this case, would be the pullback trade. So you see the EET trade right here would have gone short at 54 with a stop at 55, only risking 4 ticks, but the likelihood of this trade winning is not good because of the long-term indicator. So the long-term indicator saved us from a losing trade for the EET. Okay, so the rules helped us, but they also kept us from a winner. That's kind of how it is, and we're not going to fight that. We're just going to stick with the rules and do what we got to do. So still looking for that pullback trade, see if we can catch a one and done. This yellow here is telling us that we're in no zone. No zone means we're not going to take a normal system entry. That's all that means. Meaning the normal system entries are less likely to be profitable at this point. So I just want to try to catch again the pullback trade, see if we can get a, and we may get a cancel. There's the cancel bar. Okay, when we get a cancel bar, what that basically means is that my rules have been triggered that would cancel that trade. We no longer want to take the trade. Okay, now it's already bounced back up, but it never even touched our profit objective. Okay, so same thing here. We would not take the CET. So we're just going to hold off and wait for our next trade. Not much at this point we can do. So let me go ahead and, well, let's just recap. We're down 6 ticks, so we need to recover 6 ticks and still make some profit for the day. So we'll stop this video and we'll start a new one when we come out of no zone or we get something compelling to place a trade off of.